Have you ever wondered how to create the perfect turnover pastry? From flaky apple turnovers to savory empanadas, let's explore the science behind these delightful treats. Turnovers are individual pieces of pastry folded in half and filled with sweet or savory ingredients. They can be made from puff pastry, which creates a flaky texture, or a standard pie crust for a more robust flavor. One popular variation is the apple turnover, filled with spiced apples and wrapped in puff pastry. The process involves folding the dough to encase the filling and baking until golden brown. In Latin America, empanadas are a type of savory turnover filled with meat, cheese, and vegetables. They can be baked or fried for different textures and flavors. Another popular sweet filling is strawberry turnovers, which feature a homemade strawberry jam encased in flaky pastry. The combination of fresh fruit and buttery crust makes them a favorite. When baking turnovers, it's crucial to ensure the filling is fully sealed inside by crimping or pinching the edges. This prevents leakage during cooking and ensures a neat presentation. Once baked, turnovers should cool slightly on the tray before moving to a cooling rack. This allows the pastry to set and prevents it from breaking when handled. So there you have it, the art of making turnovers. What's your favorite filling? Share in the comments below.